All right, so I have all these rational expressions, and I'm just double checking first here. I'm going to say this is 2 times 3 minus 5 times 7. Same, I'm just substituting a number, so I know order of operations wise I need to get these two and then these two, and then I can subtract them. All right, so let's factor and hope some stuff cancels. Whoever signs this kind of stuff must be a tyrant. X times x plus 3, 2x, 4 times x plus 5. So I'm kind of looking at this as its own problem over here. I'm looking at this as its own problem. 5 times x plus 5, x times x minus 3, 10 times x plus 5. So this is a fraction, this is a fraction. Well, some stuff's going to cancel out. X plus 5, x plus 5. The x's here cancel out, so I'm left with, and the 2 cancels out, I'm left with 1 over 2 times x plus 3. If you can reduce first, go ahead, save yourself some work. X plus 5's, x plus 5's, x. Oh, this is almost too easy. 5 goes in here 2 times. You're going to feel like you were cheated a little bit. It's worth double checking if one's an x plus 3 and one's an x minus 3. It's worth double checking to make sure that you factored right, which we did. Okay, common denominator. I need a 2 and an x plus 3. I go to my second fraction, already have a 2, need an x minus 3. Now I convert. This is missing the x minus 3, so 1 times x minus 3. Put parentheses, because you're subtracting this quantity. This is missing the x plus 3, 1 times x plus 3. Don't get all the way to the end and forget to distribute. Then you'll be sad. X minus x is 0. Negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. And the last thing you can do is make that a 3. Don't go getting all excited and going, "Urgh." Okay, one more here. This time I have something like 10 minus 2 times 5 plus 8. Parentheses first. So do the parentheses first. We need to get each expression simplified and then we can combine them. So this is an addition problem, or addition and subtraction problem. So my denominator here is 3. My denominator here is x minus 2. So this is missing the x minus 2. So I'm going to take x plus 2 times x minus 2. This is missing the 3, so I'm going to take 7 times 3, 21. Let's go ahead and finish this off. Some people want to go like that, but can't. This is x squared minus 4, if it's a plus or minus, minus 21 all over 3 times x minus 2, which is x squared minus 25 over 3 times x minus 2. Keep that thought. X minus, I know it factors, but I'm not going to factor it yet. I know you were thinking it. Common denominator 2 needs an x plus 5. So 2 goes in there x plus 5 times. So I have x minus 8 times x plus 5. This is missing the 2. It's going to be 42. It's 2 times 21. So x squared minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3x. Minus 40 plus 42 all over 2 times x plus 5. This is x. I'm over here on the side. I'm going to work this out. X squared minus 3x plus 2. That factors into x minus 2, x minus 1. So Whoo, doggies. That's a good one. And then I'm bringing this one down to it. X minus 5, x plus 5, all over 3 times x minus 2. So we are multiplying these two fractions together, which means I make one big fraction. Get out a canceling pen. Doesn't work anymore. Too many cancelings. I'm going to cancel out x minus 2, x plus 5. Not scribbling out, canceling. So I'm left with x minus 5, x minus 1, all over 6. And that's it. Pencil drop.